This afternoon, a judge ruled 78-year-old Dr. Howard S. Schneider is not mentally competent to stand trial.
As you recall, parents protested outside his Southside practice for weeks in 2015. They were trying to raise awareness of what they called abuse in his dentist's chair. He's never been charged in the abuse, but he is charged with 12 counts of fraud. Tonight, Channel 4's Francesca Amaker spoke with an attorney not affiliated with the case and broke down what's next in all this. Francesca is joining us live from the courthouse downtown. Fran?
And Ken, so at this point, the justice system is looking for the best and the most competent statements from Howard S. Schneider, and that can't happen until he is mentally well. He's the former pediatric dentist facing 12 counts of fraud, but his trial won't be happening anytime soon. Wednesday, a judge ruled that Dr. Howard S. Schneider, who parents say assaulted, humiliated, and even tortured their children, is not competent enough to stand trial.
That determination was based on the reports of the experts who evaluated Dr. Schneider from both sides, the state and the defense, and that's how this conclusion came about.
A judge ordered a psychiatric evaluation after Schneider's defense lawyer filed the motion that his client was not able to assist in his own defense back in April of last year. At the time, the defense's motion claimed his attorneys observed that he suffers from severe mental deficits and lack of memory, which gave counsel concern that Schneider is incompetent to proceed. Since then, 4 evaluations have happened. All concluded he was not mentally fit to stand trial until treated. Attorney Rhonda Peoples-Waters says the evaluations were necessary, and had they not been done thoroughly, they could have ruined the case.
If he were convicted, he would be able to possibly successfully file a motion to reopen his case, and it could throw out sentences, so these things definitely have to be reviewed.
Attorney John Phillips represents 131 of Schneider's victims in a civil case. He issued this statement in response to the judge's decision, saying, while 104 of these children have settled their civil suits, 27 children have not. They have been waiting to take Dr. Schneider's statement and get answers. Today, they were denied that right. So what happens next? Well, on March 6th will be a hearing where Schneider will be, and that is where we will find out where the area he will be treated for him being incompetent. For now, reporting Francesca Amaker, Channel